people talk about politics, some people talk about sports, some people talk about movies. But if you are around me, I want you to start a business because I talk all the time about ideas, business, entrepreneurship, sales, finance, and growth. I believe that American dream is not the house, job, or even car. American dream is entrepreneurship, business, and lifestyle though. Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to get enriched with the values that I'm about to provide. If you are entrepreneur, business person, or a person with ideas and want to start a business and don't know what the heck to do, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to start a business from scratch. I am going to break down with the steps to take when you are starting a business. Starting a business is not the easy task. You will go through many pain, a lot of works and obstacles. But it is possible to achieve your dream to become an entrepreneur. The very first step, and I consider the most important step when starting a business or thinking about starting a business, is to find out what is your why. I remember while I was taking my entrepreneurship degree in university, we all asked by our professor same question. What is your why? Why you are pursuing entrepreneurship degree? Why you want to become an entrepreneur? How many times do you guys hear someone ask you the question, what is your why? And you say, I want to be a financially free, I want to do something for my family, I want to be a wealthy, or having a personal gain, etc. It could be anything, and it's cool to have your own why. Different people have different types of whys, but we all have our whys. I want you guys take a moment and ask yourself what motivates you, what drives you, what pushes you to move forward. Are you willing to pay the price to become an entrepreneur? Because entrepreneurship or starting a business is not an easy, but it is possible if you are willing to put all the efforts, time, energy and strategy that it needs. Why you want to start your own business? So get your whys first. When you find your whys, write it down, feel it. Once you get your whys, you will get clear picture, clear purpose, or clear vision that what you are going to demand or achieve out of your life as an entrepreneur. Now you know what is your why. And the second step is building your business plan. I want you all take enough time and do not rush when you are writing your business plan. Do your deep research. You should ask yourself some of these questions when you are writing a business plan. What are the problems that your business is going to solve? What is the audience or target market? Who is going to be your consumer? Is it direct to consumer or business to business? How big is the market for this product or services? What are the goals and opportunities? Are there any competitors? Are you the only one in the market? If you have a competitors, who are they? Who are your competitors? How they are solving these problems? What solution they provide? What makes you stand out from your competitors? What values you are going to offer to have a great experience for your consumers? Do you need partners? Or if you need partners, who are they? Who are your partners for manufacturing and packaging? Who are your partners for distribution? Who are your partners for marketing? Who are they going to be? And also you need to ask, what are the cost structure to start the business? Cost for platform management, production and distribution, and also for salaries. Do you going to have key resources such as intellectual property or design? And also, what are the revenue streams do your business going to have? What channels you are using to provide the product and services? Are you going to have online or offline? And these are the key questions that you are going to ask yourself when you are writing or building your business plan, because that gives you clear direction or roadmap for your goal. And that brings us to our third step, and it is SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats, where strengths and weaknesses are internal to the organization, that's in you, and opportunity and threat are external to the organization, that outside of the organization. For strengths, what do you have is strong for you? And weakness, where do you need to improve? Likewise, for the opportunities, where do you have the highest amount of growth? For threat, what threat you will or most likely to have? What kind of threat you will or most likely to have. SWOT analysis is the strategic tool and technique to learn to identify internal and external factor which can be very helpful in achieving the goal of an organization. And fourth step is creating or choosing the entity and having the employer identification number, aka EIN. There are different types of entities such as sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, etc. While you are registering your business for entity, I want you to hire an accountant to register your entity depending upon your need, because there are pros and cons with different types of entities, and accountant could help you with that, what entity you need to register for your business, depending upon your need. And the fifth and final step is launching your business and offering a product and services to the consumer. That means going to the market. Now you are ready to launch a product, and at this point you do marketing to attract the consumer to buy the product and services that you offer. There are many types of marketing to use to sell your product and services, such as email marketing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, and also search engine marketing, etc. The goal here is increase our revenue day by day and attract more consumer for our product and services that we offer. We have to be very patient at this stage and focus only on our control that we have to increase our revenue, and just wait to explode our business. And if you follow the processes and steps effectively, you will definitely achieve the goal that you are having to become successful entrepreneur. In conclusion, following these 6 steps: number 1, finding your own whys, finding your whys. Second, building your business plan or writing your business plan. Number 3, SWOT analysis. Number 4, choosing an entity and having an EIN. Number 5 is launching a business, are very essential to start a business from scratch. Having said that, if you enjoy the video, guys, please show me a love by liking my video and subscribing my channel. I will see you in the next video. You guys all have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.